Hey YouTube, this is a really good card review. It has finally been revealed. Dragonic Waterfall. Sorry. Okay, he is a grade 3. Giving the Force Gift. And a 13k base. On Vanguard, when placed, choose one of your opponent's grade 2 rear guards. Well, actually, grade 2 or greater rear guards, and retire it. That's not the best thing. This is. Now, when this unit attacks, choose a grade 3 from your soul and soul blast it. During the battle, this unit will get 10,000 power plus an extra critical. And your opponent cannot guard with sentinels. I can already say right now, this card is going to be fun. Oh no. This card is going to be so much fun. The very first guard restriction of the game and the very first set that we get in U19 Q4. And this is the SVR version. This is the regular Vanguard rare version. I do like the art. And the last thing that's going to be revealed is Dragonic Gaias. If Gaius boosts to grade 3, counterblast 1 and move this card into the soul. During the battle that it boosted, the boosted unit gains 1 critical. So you're going to be swinging for a critical of 3 when this is being used. I already know what I'm going to say about this, but tell me what you guys think in the comment below. I'll see you guys later.